Namaste, I'm Archana. Warm welcome to day 4 of our 9-day Pranayama journey. In today's session, we're going to be doing Pranayama practices to help us with focus and concentration. It doesn't matter if you're 7 or 70, we all struggle with this, especially in today's times. So I'll be teaching you 3 Pranayama practices that can help us feel more centered, sharper, and aware. So we'll begin today's practice by sitting in a comfortable seated position. You can choose to do this on the mat, chair, or bed. Just remember to keep your back straight. If need be, take the support of the wall or your backrest. Remember to keep a soft gaze, or you can close your eyes and do your practice. Keep a smile. That kind of helps you relax tense muscles. Remember to also do this practice in a clean, well-ventilated room where there is good circulation of air. So we'll begin by sitting in a comfortable seated position, chin mudra, or keeping your palms open. Close your eyes. Bring all your awareness to your breath. Just noticing the air moving in through your nose and out through your nose. Shifting your awareness to the rise and fall of your chest, the movement in your abdomen. With every inhalation, trying to sit a little taller. With every exhalation, just letting your breath soften, your body soften. Inhale to lengthen, exhale to soften. The next time you breathe out, we'll chant one round of Om, noticing the vibration throughout our body. Inhale, and as you exhale, Om. Stay here for another breath, observing the vibrations of Om. Whenever you feel ready, drop your chin to chest, bring your palms directly in front of your face and open your eyes with a few blinks. The first practice that we're going to be doing is Kapalbhathi Pranayama. This is a cleansing practice, but most importantly, it's like plugging your brain into a power source. It stimulates that part of the brain which helps in alertness, mental clarity, and decision making. So begin by bringing your hands in chin mudra, bring it to rest on your knees or thighs. Sit tall. All we're going to do is inhale, push our belly forward, exhale, pull our navel back towards our spine. We'll do 2 of this. Inhale, belly moves forward, exhale, pull it back. Right? Now inhale, push it forward, exhale, forcefully pull it back. Navel to spine. And forcefully exhale through your nose. When we do that, inhalation happens automatically. Try that again. Remember not to tense. Initially we do tense or raise our shoulders or hold everything tight, but with practice it gets better. Let's try 10 rounds together. I'm doing it at a very slow pace. Quality is important, not how many strokes we do. Our focus is only breathing out forcefully. Forceful exhalation, passive inhalation. Remember this. Now we'll do 30 strokes together and we're going to do 3 rounds of this. Eventually you can do about 120 strokes and then you can do this for 3 minutes. And then eventually move to 5 minutes. That was 30 strokes. Pause, take a breath in through both your nostrils, breathe out through both. We're going to do 30 strokes together again. Pause. Notice how you feel. If you're feeling dizzy, that means we're not taking in air. We're doing it very quickly. So you can slow down the pace. Breathe in, breathe out. While you do this practice, notice that the focus of the movement is more in the abdominal region, not in the chest. You generally see people moving the chest up and down. Try and keep that steady focus, just the abdominal movement. Now the next practice, we've been doing the last 3 days to Nadi Shuddhi Pranayama. It's a balancing pranayama. It helps us become really centered, helps clear all that mental confusion. And this can help balance our energy levels. So in turn, helping us become more focused. That mental chatter is not there. Adopt Chin Mudra in your left hand, thumb and index touch, Nasika Mudra in your right hand. You're going to breathe in through one nostril. That begin with left, exhale through right, inhale through right, exhale through left. Today, as we've been doing it for the last 3 days, we're going to do a pause in between. Just for a second, pause and then breathe out. With your thumb, you're going to open and close your right nostril. With your ring finger, open and close your left nostril. The pointer and your middle fingers rest either in the space between or into your palms. Sit tall. Breathe out completely through your left. Inhale, 4 counts. We're doing it since the last classes. We're just doing 4 counts. We're only going to add a pause in between. Inhale, left, 3, 2, 1. Pause. Exhale, right, 3, 2, 1. Pause. Inhale, right, 3, 2, 1. Pause. Exhale, left, 3, 2, 1. Pause. Inhale, left, 3, 2, 1. Pause. Exhale, right, 3, 2, 1. Pause. Inhale, right, 3, 2, 1. Pause. Exhale, left, 3, 2, 1. Pause. Inhale, left, 3, 2, 1. Pause. Exhale, right, 3, 2, 1. Pause. Inhale, right, 3, 2, 1. Pause. Exhale, left, 3, 2, 1. Pause. Now I'm just going to say inhale and pause. Okay, the counting you do in your mind. Inhale, left, pause. Exhale, right, pause. Inhale, right, Pause. Exhale, left. Pause. Now on your own. Last round. Whenever you're ready, drop your hands down. Observing how your body feels, how your breath feels. Noticing your thoughts. Whenever you feel ready, open your eyes with a few blinks. The last practice that we're going to be doing is Ujjayi Pranayama or ocean's breath, because the sound that we hear when we do this practice is like the waves in the ocean. This helps move our attention inward, refining focus and enhancing awareness. So begin by bringing your hands to rest on your thighs. You can adopt Chin Mudra or just let it rest here. We're going to constrict our throat when we do this practice. Lips stay closed. Constricting your throat, you're breathing in and out. So how to do this practice is, a simple way is, inhale through your nose and exhale through your mouth, opening your mouth. Hear that? Like you're fogging a mirror. The next time you're exhaling, you're going to, halfway through the exhale, you're going to close the mouth and like you're swallowing, constricting your throat. Inhale. See what happens? You constrict your throat. The air comes out through your nose. Try that again. Inhale. Creating this gentle snoring sound. Okay. Sit tall. Keep your back straight. This time, we're not going to open our mouth. We're going to keep our mouth closed and try and create that sound. Inhale through your nose. Exhale. Constricting the throat. So, both the times the air is moving in through your nose and out through your nose. I'll leave a link, up here for a detailed video on how to do Ujjayi breathing. So, sit tall. Close your eyes. Breathe in. Inhale through your nose. This time, try and constrict your throat while you're inhaling too. Exhale. So what happens here is, you imagine a pipe through which water is flowing. If you constrict or if you press the mouth of the pipe, so the same force of water, but it is going further. Like because it's a smaller opening, so the force is more. So when we constrict our throat, we're doing exactly the same thing. We're creating a smaller opening. So the pressure is more and the air moves even to the tiniest of air sacs. Sit tall. Take a deep inhalation. Exhale. Automatically notice the inhalation and the exhalation also becomes longer. We'll do 5 rounds together. Doesn't have to be perfect if you're new to the practice. Just do the practice with consistency and you'll be able to master it. So we begin. Inhale. Exhale. Round 4. Exhale. Three more rounds together. Last 2 rounds on your own. Just focusing on your breath, focusing on that sound. Stay here for a few more breaths, letting your breath settle into a comfortable rhythm. Observe the stillness in your body, the clarity in your mind. Bring your hands in front of you, opening your palms, opening your eyes with a few blinks. Thank you so much for joining me for day 4 of our practice. Stay consistent with your practice, and over a period of time, you'll start to notice your focus, your awareness, your concentration begins to deepen. I'll see you tomorrow for day 5 of a 9-day pranayama journey. Namaste.